Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to create and customize an image carousel inside Google Sites. Yeah, the full 2026 version. It's super simple once you know where everything is, so let's jump right in. So first, open your Google site or create a fresh one if you're starting from scratch. Google Sites loads everything instantly, so you should see the editor right away. Now, on the right side panel, look for the section labeled Images. Under that, you'll see an option called Image Carousel. Go ahead and click it. This is where the fun starts. A small window pops up asking you to select your images. You can upload pictures from your computer or choose from your Google Drive. Whatever works for you. Try to keep all images the same size so the carousel looks clean. When you're done adding images, hit the Insert button. Google Sites will drop the carousel right onto your page. You can drag it wider, reposition it, or move it into a different section. Totally flexible. Now let's customize it a bit. Click the carousel and you'll see the settings panel show up. Here you can toggle the dot indicators, turn captions on or off, and enable auto slide. Play around until it fits your style. I mean, it's your site, right? Before publishing, hit the preview button at the top. This lets you see exactly how the carousel moves and reacts on desktop and mobile. If something looks off, just hop back into the editor and tweak it, and that's it. You just built a clean, customizable image carousel on Google Sites. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to hit subscribe for more website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.